target is to hit on my specific place on 6 a.m. so that I can capture a lot of utility pole because it's very hot when it comes to 11 a.m. It's been damaged a lot. It's very extremely rare to see this. I joined TechOn to help the community and to have a finance and earning.
Alright, here's your cheese puff.